What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is the same night that I just installed the front lip over there because I have the bumper off, so I might as well do two birds with one stone. So this video we're going to be doing what mostly, I want to say mostly every Subaru owner does, but it's very common with Subaru owners, and that is, if you can't tell, those are hell horns. So mostly just going for looks here, but obviously a louder horn is pretty cool. I got this from, as you can see, SubiMods. I believe it was $115 for this. So it came with the two hella horns. If you want any other color other than red, they have almost all the colors that you would want. But if you did, I forgot how much more extra. It's either like 15 or 20 bucks extra, maybe 10. Something like that if you want another color than red. It comes with their SubiMods bracket for it, mounting bracket, and it comes with their harness. And I believe their harness is different than any other harnesses that I've seen out on YouTube, so I'm probably going to have to watch their video to understand how to install that. So yeah, first, I already have the bumper off from doing the lip, so first thing that I'm going to have to do is remove the stock horn right there. And I just believe it's one bolt, and I just have to unclip the factory harness. And look right there. If you guys can see that. Can you see that? There's a focus. There's a dead bee right there. It's winter, buddy. What are you doing? Alright, so I'm going to get started on that. Okay, to remove the stock horn, you need a, what is this? 12 millimeter socket. So I'm going to get that done, and then I will remove the stock harness, and I will be back after that. Okay, so I actually spoke incorrectly. Instead of connecting it down there where that B is, you actually disconnect it on the back of the hella horn, or the, not hella horn, the original horn that comes with it. I guess it's the trigger wire. So you just have to disconnect that, and now I have it off, and now I have to take the original brackets off of the hella horns that it comes with, and then I have to put it onto the mounting bracket that SubiMods supplied me. So now I'm going to go do that. Alright, so to remove the stock bracket, you need a 13 millimeter socket and some elbow grease. Okay. This doesn't want to come up. It's awkward, that's why. Alright. I'll be back when I have it off. I don't have a breaker bar, and I don't have like vice grips that will allow me to hold the horn. It's very awkward, so I have them soaking in PB Blaster right now to get those brackets off. I don't know why they won't come off, so I'm gonna, while they're soaking right now, I'm just gonna start watering up to like the battery for the power and the ground and all that. So I'm gonna get started on that while that's soaking. And I don't really know anything about wiring or anything, so I'm just following the video that SubiMods has online. Right, so the first trigger wire that I took off from the stock one right there, it's just a plug and play right there, I guess. So I plugged that in, run to this box, which runs to these four are what plug into your hella horns, and then it connects all the way over here to your power and your ground. So I guess what they were saying is just run it along down here, and then there's actually a hole up in your engine bay where the battery is, where you can bring the cord to, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now as you can see, I have the power and ground wire into the engine bay where the battery is. So yeah, you just kind of snake it on this line right there, and it's going to go down and up into there, and it's going to snake out right there. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the battery and the ground wire. Okay, so you don't know how long it just took me to get the old brackets off because I don't have an impact wrench or a breaker bar, and since I didn't have either of those, it was really awkward to hold on to it and try to undo it. So yeah, that just took way too long. I had to take a wrench and then hammer this side of it, and it finally came off. I've been working at this for like 45 minutes. Probably like a half hour, but way too long than it should have been taking, so that's not fun. So yeah, now that I finally have those off, after so long, I'm going to mount it to the bracket, and then I will hook it up to the wiring harness. So, it's hard to see, but I have it all hooked up now. Before I mount it, I want to check to make sure that I put these wires in the right spot, because one's red, one's black. It doesn't have any markings to show which thing they go on, so I'm going to test these out to make sure that they're right. If I can get them to sit. So I'll be right back, make sure that they're in the right ones. If they are, then I'll tell you which ones you should put them in. When I went to go test it, I didn't have them hooked up. I didn't have them mounted. So I had them resting on the bash bar right here, and when I went to go and test it, it worked, and they were so loud that they actually knocked off the bash bar and landed onto the ground. So yes, they do work. So when the hell horn is turned around this way, so you're looking at the back of it, the black connection goes to the right, and then the right connection goes to the left little prong. So that's how you connect it. Then I unscrewed this middle bolt and then bolted this in. So yeah, I just need somewhere to mount this piece. I'm going to mount it anywhere really in there that I can find. So yeah, now I'm all set, and tomorrow I will probably put the bumper back on, show you guys what it looks like with the bumper on, and I will also give you a sound test. I didn't really do a sound test of what it sounded like before because it just sounded like any other horn. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And there's what the hella horns look like inside of the grill. And now I think it looks really nice with the pinstriping and the red. I also, when I had the bumper off, I plasti dipped this black because it was red, and I thought it was just too much red. I didn't really like how it looked. So now I'm going to demonstrate what the horns sound like. So I will do that now. Okay, so as you can tell from the video, the first two beeps were they seem like higher toned, they're like louder. That's the normal horn, and then when I lock the car, it kind of gives like a lower tone. So that's that. What I saw from one of the install videos is that it's not so much louder as in like volume, but it's a different tone that kind of pierces your ears. So I don't know, I like it. I mostly did it for the looks, I'm not gonna lie, but it's nice to have a louder horn. The link will be in the description of the product. Once again, I got it from SubiSpeed, so if you guys have any comments, questions, be sure to drop comments in the comments section, and hope you guys have a good day.